Welcome to episode 1 of Read 90% Faster. Hope you're doing well, because in the next 15 minutes, you're going to feel absolutely insane. 90% faster. That's the biggest jump ever recorded from this exact method, and your own training starts right now. Are you ready to feel the magic? One thing first, this isn't a video you just watch. Open your book, find somewhere quiet, and get ready for 2 short exercises that let you feel this transformation firsthand. But before moving ahead, why does this actually matter to you? Here, let me tell you that in a short period of practice, your reading rate can jump 50 to 60%. Right now, you finish 2 books a year. Trained readers finish 30. Every exam you'll ever face, done in a quarter of the time. Read slow, and your whole professional life moves slow. That's the real cost. Right now, the page controls you. That ends today. Zero focus to infinite concentration. That's the shift ahead of you. Every top performer alive reads relentlessly. That's not a coincidence. A rotten, sluggish mind, about to become a supermind. You don't have to take that on faith. Reading programs going back to the 1930s at Dartmouth, Purdue, and beyond recorded real, measurable jumps in reading speed. Modern research backs this up too, with one important caution. Speed only counts if your understanding comes with it. That balance is exactly what the habits ahead are built around. None of this exists without one man's work. Deep gratitude to Norman Lewis for the extraordinary contribution his research made to how the world understands reading. You don't have to take any of this on word alone either. Every source, every study, every number, it's all linked in the description. Go check it yourself. Now, before you learn anything else, you're going to prove this to yourself. Open your book now. Here's your first activity. Don't overthink it, and don't apply anything yet. Just read 3 pages of any book at your normal, natural speed. If you need a passage to work with, download the reading selection linked in the description. Reading Comprehension and Speed Test 1. Hope you enjoyed that. Now you have a baseline, a real number to measure your progress against. Here's how to calculate it. Take the number of words you read, divided by the minutes it took you, and that's your words per minute. Record it. An average untrained reader reads around 175 to 225 words per minute. A trained reader, close to college level, reads around 325 to 350. But your real goal isn't to compete with anyone else. It's to improve your own speed, your own focus, your own understanding. This revealed something important. You may already be capable of reading faster than you currently do. The problem usually isn't ability. It's a set of slow, passive habits. You're not controlled by the page. You're the reader, and you decide how actively you read. Open your book again. Take 3 pages or download Reading Comprehension and Speed Test 2 from the description. This time, you're going to read differently. Read actively. Enter with a clear purpose. Look for the central message and follow the main thread. And don't stop for every unfamiliar word or minor detail. Your purpose is still understanding, not speed for its own sake. But when you read with focus, confidence, and direction, your speed can rise without your comprehension falling apart. Use the same formula as before. Words read divided by minutes taken to see how far you just moved. Compare the 2 results. You've probably just proven to yourself that you can read at least 20 to 50% faster. You are definitely feeling magic with your own changes. But you might also be thinking, that wasn't entirely comfortable, and you weren't quite as sure of your comprehension as usual. You're right, on both counts. A slow reader doesn't become a fast, efficient reader overnight, even though you've just proven a start can happen in 5 minutes. From here, your training aims to build 4 things: quicker, more accurate comprehension, sharper, more immediate concentration, more active participation in the author's thinking, and deeper mastery over every page you read. Practice this consistently, and a faster, habitual reading speed becomes just as natural as your old one ever was. The book stops being your master. It becomes your willing servant. Are you ready, guys? Here, your waiting ends, where the 6 gems come. 6 habits, and if you apply them, they will change how you read for good. If you're a slow reader, chances are you barely read at all. That has to change. Real fast readers didn't get that way by accident. They read constantly. Speed only becomes a permanent habit when reading itself becomes a habit. Stop spending your energy on every small detail. When you read an article, push through for the main idea. The details are only there to support. When you read nonfiction, chase the big picture, the framework the author actually built the book around. Don't let one confusing paragraph slow you down. When you read fiction, follow the thread of the story itself. Fast readers are good readers. They're fast because they've trained themselves to understand quickly by constantly practicing on material that actually challenges them. You won't grow by only reading what's easy. Ask yourself honestly, do you know more about the world than you did 5 years ago because of what you've read? If the answer is no, it's time to read something harder. Set yourself a real deadline. Tell yourself exactly what you'll finish and exactly when. Put a number on the clock and hold yourself to it. It sounds small, but a specific time limit mobilizes your concentration in a way nothing else does. When you start a new book, read for quick understanding for 15 minutes. Count the pages, multiply by 4, and that's your potential pace for that book, in pages per hour. Once you know your rate, hold yourself to it. Nothing builds concentration faster than purposefully sweeping through material, hunting for the main ideas. If you read slower than you're capable of understanding, your mind wanders. Read at your true comprehension speed instead, and you stay pulled in, focused, engaged, almost without trying. Reading about this won't change anything on its own. Only practicing it will. Do it consistently, and within a few months, this becomes automatic. Not a technique you're applying, simply how you read. Everything comes down to consciousness, how present and focused you truly are, because that's what defines your success. For an extra edge, watch the 30-minute difference success versus failure video, linked in the description. Then apply what you just learned. The results will be insane. Quick recap before you go, and this time, actually write it down. Read more. Chase main ideas. Challenge yourself. Budget your time. Pace yourself. Concentrate immediately. 6 habits, 1 page, your handwriting. Make it stick. You already proved something to yourself today. You read faster the moment you tried, even before you knew any of this. By episode 3, you'll notice the shift. By episode 18, you won't recognize your old reading self. Hope you've enjoyed this magical episode. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and follow.